Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, I will be going ahead and show y'all how to change your windshield wiper real quick. So pretty much you just take the J-hook, pop it through, and then after that you put it right on. So yeah, so this is Atoya. I am a wife and a mother and a whole host of other things. On this channel you get DIY motivations and cleaning inspiration. So I really hope y'all stay here. Thank y'all for being here and enjoy the music. Alright, so real quick, what you just saw me do was just do my windshield wipers. So on my vehicle, I'm going to have a 2015 Dodge Journey. The driver's side is a 24 and the passenger side is a 19. And pretty much to take it off, because I have a J-hook is what I have. You just make sure you have the hook up there, right here. Yeah. And you just pull it out, and it pops out, and that's how you pull it right back in with the new one. So that's what you saw. He wanted something bubbly. He wants some carbonation. All right. I went to my first buffet after my surgery. We're going on 2 years. It sucked, and I can only eat like a half a plate, so it was a waste of $10. But these are the blades that I got. These were $3.49 at Ollie's. Okay, so I was like, you know what? Because I did look online to see how much they would be at AutoZone, and they were like $35, and I'm like, I'm not doing that. No. So Ollie's had them for $3.49. So that's what I did. So thank you for this quick video, like literally quick video, because it almost started to scratch last time the rain was going, and I always do the fronts together. So as you can see right here, yeah, it was starting to scratch because it was coming off. I was like, oh no, we're not doing that. Time for some new blades. So that's what we did. So yeah, thank you for coming along to change my windshield wipers. Quick 5-minute video. We got a couple more videos coming up soon. I did do some cleaning, and yeah, so y'all be blessed. We'll see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Thank you.
I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, getting on my nerves.